Hi guys, welcome back to Build with Namda channel. Today day 6, we need to solve the zigzag conversion problem using the Python solution. So the question was, the given string as written as a zigzag pattern, a given number of rows like this, you need to display the pattern in front of the better legibility. Like the problem has been shown the legibility pattern of the string. We need to solve that legibility into the zigzag conversion using the Python. Now dive into the solution. You create a class using the def function to initialize the whatever the strings we are declared in the function need to initialize into the def function, like num, rows, int, as well as string, as well as self. And next we looping statement like a if condition. We need to check the condition after the true block has to be executed. Now if condition, using the num rows to only one row, the zigzag is just a straight line, as well as the output is identical to the input. And next we need to the number rows into the length to rows than the characters. It occupies the own vertical line. No the zigzagging happens. Next we return as a yes and move to the declaration part. To initialize the those strings, after that we need to declare as a rows into num rows and index equal to 0 and step equal to 1. It means moving the minus 1 is moving up to the next substring. And next we go to the iterating and placing characters. For loop is used to the every characters to the input string one by one. Given the substring, we need to looping into the characters, doing the input, and after the declaration we get the output as such. Next we append the current character to the string, the current row of the index. And next going to the direction logic of the zigzag pattern. Using the reached bottom row, we need to bounce back into the step 2 minus 1 as well as using the lf to initialize the index equal to 0. We reached the top row. When the extract start moving of the down again, we stepped into the 1. As such, the index of the step part, they update to the next character. For example, the row is 0, the next character goes to the row 1. You are at the bottom of row 2, the next characters go to the row 1. And finally, we come to the final result. After the looping statement, it will be declared as a joins the strings together into the final result. And finally, adding some commanding lines to easily understand the program, whatever the exact pattern would be given the flow of the work pattern. Now see the result. The 3 test case has been passed away. The A, it's declared as a row 1 and moved on to the first test case. It declared as a 3 rows. So the legibility of the pattern must be cleared. The row is 3. Thank you for watching.